NASA Exploration. For 50 years, we have powered inspiration, innovation, and discovery that shaped and improved our lives. From 1968 to 1972, we sent 24 astronauts on 9 trips to the moon, with 12 astronauts setting foot on the lunar surface. After focusing on learning to live and work in low Earth orbit, we are now ready to return to the moon, learning to live and work on another world, and preparing ourselves for the next step out into our solar system. We stand today on the cusp of a new era of exploration. Our toehold for long-duration flight, the International Space Station, is nearly as large as a football field and flies in an orbit about 220 nautical miles above the Earth once every 91 minutes, traveling at 17,500 miles per hour. Since November 2000, we've had a continuous human presence aboard the station, learning to live and work in space. Brighter than any star, it can be seen traveling overhead on any given night. Now we are ready to take the next steps into the future. We are returning to the moon. A new generation of spacecraft will take us back to our nearest neighbor by 2020. We will learn to make the 3-day voyage with new capabilities, to establish a human outpost, and to deal with the challenges we'll face when we travel beyond. The value to science will be substantial. In addition, there may be valuable natural resources at the moon's poles to be used in our quest for discovery. And what of Mars and the possibility of life on the red planet? Did liquid water exist on the surface of Mars at some time in the past? If so, how did water flow across the surface of Mars? Was the Martian environment at that time able to sustain life? And did you know that a trip to Mars will take about a half year each way, rather than the 3-day trip to the moon? Will it be your grandchildren, your children, or you to take that first step? At NASA, we will continue to reach out beyond our solar system, to search for life, to search for answers to questions about our origins and our destiny. Because at NASA, exploration powers inspiration, innovation, and discovery.